Welcome to the Brady manufacturing floor. Let's go meet the team.
I'm Tracy Harper, been here 20 years. I'm a machine operator.
My name is Mike Kegel. I'm a senior manufacturing engineer.
My name is Devon Mallory. I am an operator for the TA9 machine here. So right now I'm making sleeves material. This is a 2-inch sleeve.
This new machine here is a digital printer. It's able to print multiple jobs, multiple colors all at the same time.
And this is the laser finisher. Once it scans, the laser scans it, it cuts it to all kinds of shapes.
I love working in manufacturing because I actually love working with my hands and actually being able to see the products that I make. Some of our materials, we actually have to put our name and date on them. So when somebody's actually using that part, I look at their own, they're like, yep, they don't know, but I made that. You know, so it gives me a sense of accomplishment.
I like to make sure the customer gets good product. I've always liked to working with my hands. So it's always been a good challenge for me. I love challenges.
So I love the problem solve. So my ability, my superpower, I guess you want to call it, is problem solving. So working in manufacturing gives me day-to-day ability to problem solve. So whether it's a machine breaking down or a new product Brady's trying to introduce, working on the process to get the new product out cost effectively and quickly and safely for the people making the products is always a challenge and a lot of fun.